हेलो एवरीवन। तो लेट्स सी आज हम पीनट रोटी कैसे बनाते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। हम ये पीनट्स डाल रहे हैं, इसे रोस्ट कर देंगे, ड्राई रोस्ट। Okay, so I've taken an amount of the peanuts which I wanted to make peanut roti. Let's roast it. It is now completely roasted. So let's switch off the flame and peel it off. Now peanuts are peeled, and as you see I have taken almost 200 grams of peanuts, and I'll be adding in it almost 200 grams of a sugar. So ratio I prefer to keep 1:1, but you can add sugar as per your taste. It is now ready. Now let's take regular chapati dough, stuff it with this powder and make a paratha. Now I take a little dough, in that I put clarified butter, which is ghee, and now I add powder in it. We'll add little more, and now we'll cover it. So you see, gently use rolling pin and make a stuffed paratha like this. Now cook it at a low flame and then flip. Apply clarified butter on it. Put a clarified butter on it and then flip. This side also put some clarified butter. It enhances taste. Always cook on low flame, else it will burn. You see, now peanut roti is ready to be served hot. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.